POCO has officially shared the global launch date for its new POCO F9 series. On September 1st, the lineup reportedly includes two models, the POCO F9 Pro and the POCO F9 Ultra. POCO has also showcased the F9 Ultra in a dark cherry colorway and the F9 Pro in an aurora green shade. The two phones are rebranded versions of the Redmi K100 Pro and Redmi K100 Pro Max, feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, up to 16GB RAM. The POCO F9 Ultra has a 6.9-inch 1200 by 2608 AMOLED touchscreen with a 185Hz refresh rate and 4500 nit peak brightness. A 200MP main camera, a 50MP periscope telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom, and a 50MP ultrawide, 32MP selfie cameras. The F9 Pro has a 6,330 mAh battery and the F9 Ultra has an 8,050 mAh battery. Both will charge at 100W. The POCO F9 Ultra will apparently go for at least €999. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.